Clock up top. Barthelemy steps into the three and barely grazed the front iron. Here's Farmer for Henderson. Nearly halfway through the first half. Farmer pulls up from the right elbow and rips it.
Henderson.
Finds Edelmeyer, wide open left wing, three on the way, short, bounces around a couple times, finally falls out. Miholcic controls the rebound for Henderson State, who leads 38-32. Here's Farmer all the way to the bucket, reach and foul, coming on Zecic. Assist of the ball game, and the lead is 3 for Henderson, 42-39, 16 minutes to play. McDonald between the rings. Here's Farmer, drives right into Visser, and he got it to cross.